The clouds have lifted and NASA's airborne lab, a DC-8, is ready to leave Punta Arenas, Chile, the gateway to Antarctica.
We've all heard about how the ice caps over Antarctica are changing or being modified, but this is the first time we're going to see exactly how they're measured.
It's a 2-hour flight to Antarctica, and suddenly we see the Arctic Peninsula. It's a mountain range covered with snow and ice, mountains that were once part of the Andes. For the third year in a row, NASA scientists are flying over predetermined lines. Their plane is equipped with sophisticated radar and altimeter lasers that allow them to compare the ice sheet's thickness from one year to the next, a crucial factor in determining how quickly the ocean may rise.
In most of the areas we see it's lowering, which means that the ice sheets are losing ice. And that's a big concern because the ice is being transported into the ocean where it ends up as an iceberg and then it melts and then it eventually rises sea level. And our main purpose is to understand how much of this ice from the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheet will be moving over the next 10 and 20 years into the ocean and changing the sea level dive.
The highly skilled pilots fly for 7 hours at a dizzying speed, at a mere 500 meters from the ground, flying exactly over the same areas as the previous years to properly compare measurements.
That's very low.
Yeah.
NASA's Operation Icebridge is the largest airborne survey of Earth's polar ice caps, an unprecedented three-dimensional view of Arctic and Antarctic ice shelves and ice sheets, as well as mountain glaciers. You can recognize them by the ripple effect produced as they slowly move downhill towards the ocean.
The goal of today's mission is to try to ascertain how much or how quickly the glaciers from the inland part of Antarctica are moving towards the coast of the peninsula. And the reason why scientists are paying so much attention to the peninsula is that this is the part of Antarctica where the snow and ice is becoming thinner the most and the fastest.
The change is accelerating, it's getting more and more, and it's spreading further and further inland. And we are here to measure or map and monitor how these changes occur.
The information gathered here will help predict the impact that changes on the frozen continent will have on all the others. What world leaders will do with that information is another matter. Lucia Newman, Al Jazeera, over the Antarctic Peninsula.